Hey guys, I just released a Udemy course on how to create and host a custom dedicated game server with Unity 3D, .NET 6 and the library called LightNetLib. Here is a link to the completed project if you want to check it out before considering taking the course. And here are 2 vouchers that you can use to get a huge discount. Now, if you are still watching, I would like to play to you the course trailer. Here we go. Welcome to my course on creating and hosting a dedicated game server. In this course, you will learn how to use a Unity 3D game engine, the .NET 6 framework and the LightNetLib networking library to create and host your own online game server. Here's what topics we will cover in the course. In the first section, we are creating a very minimal setup of our client-server communication using Unity 3D, .NET 6 and the networking library LightNetLib. After we are done with the proof of concept, or as I like to call it, the walking skeleton project, we will continue by laying the foundation of a strongly typed client-to-server communication. We will implement packet serialization and deserialization, and we will make it so the logic that handles different packets is separate in different packet handlers, and it will use strongly typed C# structs. Once the networking layer is done, we will work on 2 core scenes that are essential for any multiplayer game: login and lobby scene. In the login scene, we will allow the players to identify themselves and register in our server. We will handle user input validation and we will give the user visual feedback in the form of loading animation. In the lobby scene, we will create a sorted list of the top 10 players and we will show their statuses, whether online or offline. We will also show the current total players count on the server. In addition to that, we will update the list on all clients when a new user joins or an existing one turns offline. After we are done with that, we will enable the players to register in our matchmaking pool and search for opponents by pressing the Find Opponent button. Once a match is found, we will redirect the players to the actual game scene where they will be able to play the classic game of tic-tac-toe. We will implement beautiful animations and try to polish the game so it have a completed look. After one game session is complete, we will allow the players to request to play again and then of course give them the ability to accept or reject the offer. And last but not least, once we are ready with the game client and server, we will deploy our server to a cloud provider and we will connect to it from the client. Whether you are a game developer looking to improve your online multiplayer capabilities or just a hobbyist interested in learning how to create and host your own dedicated game server, this course is for you. I'm a professional developer with years of experience and I'm excited to share my knowledge and skills with you. By the end of this course, you have a solid understanding on how to create and host game server using the latest technology stack. So, if you are ready to start learning, let's get started. Enroll in the course now and start building your own dedicated game server.